everyone. I am Giselle Nima Sankay, and I am tasked to give a tutorial to you on how to manipulate the app Pupplet. So Pupplet is a tool that allows users to create and organize ideas into visual representations such as mind maps, graphic organizers. Students can use text, drawings, images, or videos to create a Pupplet. So it's very essential to students in their learning process. Okay, so let's go. Here, let's search here in the search bar app Pupplet, and it will appear, and let's select the word Pupplet. So this thing will appear, and you just have to sign up. So let's create a new Pupplet. Let's select this pink one. So let's pick some color. So let's pick this sky blue and create Pupplet. Okay, so this thing will appear, and what we're going to do is to select this setting and make new Pupplet. Okay, so Pupplet is a way in which it can enhance our language skills through the use of digital storytelling. So let's put here enhancing language skills through digital storytelling. Okay, so Pupplet is one of the tools of storytelling. So let's select four tools, and let's just drag this thing here. Okay, let's select a tool, Stellar. Let's select the tool Stellar. Okay, let's put here Stellar. What else? WeVideo. Okay, so I am trying to create a mind map in which it helps us to enhance our language skills. Let's just select four tools. Here is Adobe Spark Page. Okay. Not the least will be okay. What else? Let's have Book Creator. Okay, what we're going to do is let us put their meanings and definitions. Okay, in WeVideo, let's search here in WeVideo. Okay, WeVideo record screen, webcam, and both simultaneously. Okay, let's select this copy, and let's put it here. Okay, so WeVideo will record your screen, your webcam, or both simultaneously, just like what I am doing right now. Okay. And Stellar. Okay, let's search the definition of Stellar. Okay, Okay, Stellar allows users to combine text, images, videos to create a visual and virtual storybook. So let's copy this thing and paste it here. Okay, so let's make it smaller. Mama. Okay, in Book Creator, let's search its definition. Book Creator. Okay. Okay, Book Creator is a digital tool that enables students to create and read multimodal digital books. So let's copy this and let's paste it here. Okay. Again, let's put here. And let's paste it here. Okay, so this will help the students to create mind maps. Say for example, they are tasked to give a tool in which helps them to enhance their written skills and their listening skills. Also, we can put here, the students will put here, say for example, an app in which they can search or they can seek information. Say for example, they can put here Google, ChatGPT, and so on. So, and this Padlet is open to all, and let's select this thing. So make Padlet public. So let's tap this lock here and let's make this work in public. And here in collaborator at email.com, we can put here the email of our friends or our teachers, and yeah, we can share na our work in which we are putting a tool and enhancing language skills through digital storytelling, video, Book Creator, Stellar, and Adobe Spark Page. I haven't yet put the meaning of Adobe. Wait, let's search Adobe. Okay, so in here, gain more information, and also we can put some images here, videos, and so on. Say for example, the teachers will give an assignment to the students to make an analysis about the story Harry Potter. So they can just use this app Padlet, in which they can put some videos of the Harry Potter and also some photos. So yes, Okay, so it's just very simple, and we just have to okay. Okay, that would be all, and the students will just seek more information for searching this tool Puplet. Again, we can share this thing and we can make it Puplet private or public. Okay, that would be all. Thank you so much for listening.